Chicken growers across Sussex County are at a crossroads.
I hope this bill passes because I don't see it benefiting anybody.
New legislation introduced by Delaware Senators Tom CARPER and Chris COONS could clarify guidelines on measuring emissions of their chicken houses.
The law was originally introduced to help people respond to like factory accidents and oil spills from ships. It has you, if you have an emission of a gas or a substance, then you have to report it to the government.
DELMARVA Poultry is applauding the senators for backing a new bill that would negate the federal requirements.
That the way the law was written, it has to apply to farmers as well. That farmers have to, report as if they are emitting some kind of hazardous substance, and that really doesn't make much sense.
As of right now, the law says they have to measure the emissions that come out of these vents. Chicken grower Laura Hill says it's a waste of time and there's no proper way to measure the ammonia that comes out of these. But if new legislation passes, it could save hours of paperwork.
All it does is create paperwork, reports that sit somewhere, and I don't know if anybody's doing anything with those reports.
So it's something that the federal government wouldn't really have any use for, this reporting information, and it's a significant burden on farmers.
Farmers have to report every 30 days as of now. This new bill could pass quickly because opposition is minimal, according to some.
We at DPI haven't encountered anyone who's opposed to this legislation that was just introduced.
But no, if anybody's had complaints, they have not come to us directly.
Chicken growers can do nothing but wait for the bill to be served up to Congress. In Sussex County, I'm AJ Clemente for WRDE Delmarva's own NBC station.